The run screen is divided into 3 sections. We've got the section on the right hand side, which is all to do with motion. The center section is the display of what's happening, and the left hand side is to do with height sense. So a plasma machine uses arc voltage height sense, generally speaking. The voltage across the plasma arc is proportional to the height above the plate. So we have a set volts, in this case 134.7. If the voltage it's reading is higher, it knows the head is too high, so it will drive down. If the voltage it's reading, the actual volts, is lower, it knows it's too low, so it will drive up. So using these controls, we can control the height of the thing. This is, generally speaking, this is set to automatic. So AVC is automatic voltage control. That's, generally speaking, that's on. So that's the thing that does this, the raising lowering automatically. So that will follow a bow in the plate or a bend. IHS is initial height sense. We can toggle this on and off. So this is the start height. So when you press start or cut on, the head will drive down to touch the plate. It will sense the plate using either a limit switch or an ohmic clip. Once you've detected the plate, it will then drive up to the cut height, to the PS height, start the PS, then drive down to the cut height, start moving. Once the arc voltage is stabilized, it will then follow the arc voltage as it goes along. We can make adjustments on here. We can run, if we run it to the IHS off, then it will just pierce at whatever height the torch is set to. So you'd have to use these buttons to position the torch about the PS height above the plate. And when you press start, it will just set off straight away. We can make adjustments to these numbers on the fly. If you think it's a little bit too close to the plate, we can use these plus and minus buttons to adjust. So you can see it's adjusting the set volts as we press the buttons there. If we press select, we can also adjust the PS height and the cut height.